gentlemen. So we find ourselves at the very beginning. What do you want to call
Matthew,
this? What do you want to call
one
this,
second.
boys?
1 second. Matthew,
What?
why are you normal still?
Because I'm normal. I'm the guy that's gonna get hung later
God.
for treason.
Dear God. All right, guys. All right. We're gonna start this thing. I think we should call it America after that guy Asparagus Vaspaloo, whatever his name's. Amerigo Vespucci. That's what it was. Not asparagus. Amerigo Vespucci, right? I think, and I'm thinking, right. So hear me out. Amera, and then just get rid of the
What's
go because then Amerigo could sue us for stealing his name, right? So we're gonna do Amera and then Ka sounds, sounds really good, America, I think it's got a good ring to it. What do you think, Zombis Jefferson?
I, thy agreeness.
And who is this? Yo, there's this random guy here.
Hi.
He's in our Continental Congress. I mean, off with his head, right? Like, I
Yes.
listen.
No.
I know we're criticizing the British for being a bunch of dictators who take people's heads off, but we can do it one last time because we're.
Hi, Matam and Franklin.
Goodbye.